Are you a small business owner who's been hesitant to open a bank account? Have you heard horror stories about the process that have made you rely solely on cash transactions? In this video, I'll debunk the common myths about bankers and business banking that may be holding you back. Let's get started. Hi, I'm Josh from the University of La Verne's Small Business Development Center, and here at the SBDC, we help small businesses start and grow with free one-on-one consulting and free video guides just like this one. And check out the companion article for all the links and resources in the description below. So the first myth, small businesses might believe that a large bank won't want my business because it's small. Well, bankers want your business because they hope that you'll use services like loans and lines of credit with the expectation your company will grow. The FDIC's 2018 Small Business Lending Survey found that smaller banks, up to $10 billion in assets, tend to be more flexible in structuring loans for small businesses. And 3 out of 4 of these banks report that they lend to small businesses and that have been in operation for up to 2 years. Now, the second myth is that the bank may not consider my loan application if my loan is small. Now, first, at most institutions, you don't need to have an account with the bank to obtain a loan. Some banks may have thresholds for the amount of time a company is in business, or they do make a point to work with and lend to small businesses. Now, for every large bank that lends larger loans, there are smaller nonprofits and microlenders who want your business. If one institution cannot accommodate you, many others have an interest. So our next myth is one that we encounter a lot, that banks will require perfect or near perfect credit history for business loans. Now, banks generally require a good business plan, some history, and projections of cash flow to show sufficient revenue to ensure that you're able to pay back the loan. Now, while personal and business credit histories can play a part in getting a business loan, they don't have to be perfect. Banks will want borrowers to have good credit, about 650 or above when applying for a loan. Different banks will have different credit score thresholds, and it's a good idea to check with your lender to know where your credit score should be. Our next myth is that the loan application can take months. Now, the time that it takes to process a loan application depends partly on the applicant and whether or not they've submitted all the required documents. Even government loan applications, such as those for the SBA Guaranteed Loan Program, are processed relatively quickly. In many loans that we help clients with, the business loans typically close within about 45 days, provided you have all the required documents submitted in the loan package and they're complete. Our next myth, banking fees are not affordable for small businesses. Now, fees for bank services can sometimes be waived or lowered, especially if you already use the products and services from the bank when you're seeking a loan. Borrowers should not be afraid to ask for better terms, such as lowering fees, collateral, interest rates, or changes to the payment schedule. Now, establishing a personal relationship with your banker may make it easier for you to waive fees if they know you and your business when it comes time to get the loan. Now, to determine the best solution for the business, it's always good to analyze and compare your options when shopping for bank products and services. So, there are many myths or misconceptions that you haven't heard and that we didn't cover. As with many of these incidents of misinformation, it's better to get the most accurate information straight from the source, the bank. You'll also need to remember that there are plenty of banks to do business with, so don't settle for the first institution you come across or take it for granted that the terms or fees apply to every single bank. But let me know what you think. Do you need to open a bank account for your business? Are there any other myths about banks that are holding you back? Let me know down in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, leave us a like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to get updates on all of our newest videos to start and grow your new business. If you're ready to open your business bank account, check out our video on the screen. And I'll see you in the next video.